Soda blasting was first developed to strip the paint and tar from the inside of the Statue of Liberty. The restorers needed to find something that wouldn't damage the thin copper skin.
So what happens is, with bicarbonate of soda, it comes out of the nozzle, hits the car, and then the crystal or the grain actually separates.
It fractures.
Right, it's the energy release there which fractures the paint on the car.
You've got it.
Without producing enough heat to distort the metalwork.
That's right, no heat. Whereas if you're using a different sort of blast media, you could blast a hole in it.
Right.
This you can't.
Well, Tim can't wait to get a go on the nozzle.
Start her up, battery's charged, and everything's ready to rock.
We've got a bit of a problem at the moment, so it's just not quite...
Right, so it won't start?
No, not yet. I tell you what you could do, though.
Right.
Make me up a timing light so that I can check out where the ignition timings are. So we can get that going.
Let's do it.
Yes, Tim might well be concerned. With just over 1 day left before the car is returned, he knows that if they can't get it going, the whole project is doomed to failure. So the spotlight now is well and truly on car whisperer Fuzz.
Listen to that. How many years do you reckon since this old block was running?
I don't know, 20 years or something?
Wow, and it sounds so good. It's one of the only engines that actually sounds like it's driving down a road. Oh. After 20 years, though, how cool is that? 20 years.
Well, with that bit of excellent news, the boys can start the final push. The finishing touches are going back on, from the windows to the newly recovered seats set off by some plush new carpets. And outside, the Avant is starting to look like its former self as they reattach the now fully re-chromed trim.
Oh, yes.
But it would be a miracle if something didn't go wrong. And guess what?
As per usual, we have a last-minute problem. This gear selector arm has been bent. When you try and put the car into gear, it's scraping against the fan belt and the fan pulley. It's just going to cause a disaster. What I'm going to have to do is bend it very carefully back. If I mess this up, there is absolutely no chance that this car is going to be ready in time.
Old-fashioned mechanics call for some time-honoured repairs, so Fuzz turns blacksmith to fix the bent gear selector arm.
Bend, 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 bend. Bend a bit more, that'll do. It's still very twisted, but it's twisted in the other direction because I want to make sure that that's going to clear that pulley. This is the moment at which we know if it's all for nothing. So if I put it into third gear, lifted it by about 6 or 7 millimetres, and that's enough for us. Perfect.